how to play, pause, and skip songs on AirPods. So if you want to play, pause, and skip songs on your AirPods, then this video is just for you. So to control your audio with your AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods Pro 3, you need to follow these steps. So to play and pause audio or to mute yourself during a phone call, press the force sensor on the stem of an AirPod. As you can see that you will have a sensor in the stem of your AirPod. So you need to press it from both sides. To resume playback or to unmute yourself, press again. To skip forward, you need to double press the force sensor, and to skip back, you need to triple press the force sensor. To turn the volume up or down, you can place your thumb on the stem of either AirPod and use your index finger to swipe up or down on the force sensor. But if you want to control your audio and if you have AirPods Pro 1, 3, or 4, then to play and pause audio, press the force sensor on the stem of an AirPod. To resume playback, press again, which is the same as above. And to skip forward, you need to double press the force sensor. And to skip back, you need to triple press the force sensor. And to turn the volume up or down, you can say, "Hey Siri," and then say something like turn up the volume or turn down the volume or drag the volume slider in the app that you're listening to. Or if you're using your AirPods 1 or 2, then to control your audio with your AirPods 2 or 1, you need to just activate Siri and say, "Hey Siri," and ask Siri to play audio or skip forward or double tap an AirPod. So if you want to use the Siri, you can double tap the AirPod and your Siri will be activated and you'll be able to command Siri. In this way, you'll be able to play, pause, or skip songs on AirPods of any version. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.